Hey everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, sales manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, power panorama sunroof, ventilated seats. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2020 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.